What up, guys? So we're here at my vacation house today, and just got here maybe about 4 days ago, and today it's officially hot enough to fire up the AC. Again, this is at my vacation house in southern Illinois. So yeah, so here's the AC. It's Lennox Elite Series from 2002. It's a 3-ton or 3.5-ton, something like that. Has a Copeland scroll compressor matched up to a Lennox Elite Series gas furnace, also from 2002. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a window unit running right up there. That's for the upstairs. That's because this unit is slightly undersized for the 2100 square foot house, so we keep a window unit upstairs to cool the upstairs. So yeah, so here's the unit. Lennox Elite Series. It's a 3.5 ton. It's a pretty big unit. So you got all new landscaping in. So far looking good. Later today we're gonna be starting up the sprinkler system too. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, here's what I think I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna pull the disconnect, and what I will do is I'll start it up. I'll turn on the thermostat, put it on cooling. I do that way you guys can be out here and watch it fire up. I could set the camera on the disconnect, but the issue is where the unit is. If you look, the house comes out right here, and what happens is when the unit comes on, all the air from the fan gets trapped underneath here, and when the camera's on there, all you hear is the noise of air hitting the microphone, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to put you guys through that. So what I'm just gonna do is go inside, fire it up, come out here, and you guys can watch it fire up. I would put the camera right here, but then it'll start vibrating and it just won't be good. I don't want to set it on the mulch or anywhere over there, because that's all got to be cleaned. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, go on inside, and fire up this bad boy. Here's the thermostat. Focus. Waiting for it to focus. Okay, there we go. It's better than nothing. So, oh gosh, there we go. Alright, so furnace is on. Probably hear that. So now we can go outside and fire her up. So yeah. And she's off. You hear the Copeland scroll coming on. And yeah, so that's the unit. Lennox Elite Series 3-ton from 2002, and it's just barely it's just undersized for the house here. The house is around 2100 square feet, and yeah, unit's undersized, so we keep a window unit up there. That's actually a 12,000 BTU unit up there. Kind of small for a 12,000 BTU though. Yeah. And over here is the color generator. We just had this actually lifted up and re-leveled. It was actually starting to sink into the ground. Yeah, there's the unit. Yeah, see, there's the unit. This is why I didn't put the camera on the disconnect. Because if you listen right up here, you can, I don't know if you can tell, but you can hear the noise from the fan. And this is by far one of the quietest units I've ever seen. Like, if we come just over here, just barely hear it. So it's a remarkably quiet unit. But we can actually go inside and take a look at the furnace. You guys already saw the thermostat. Actually, go ahead and close this. Oh yeah, already nice and cold. Let's go ahead and check out the furnace. Alright, so here's the furnace. Again, Lennox Elite series from 2002. Previous owners of the house had central air put in 2002. Before then, I want to say the system was actually a really, really old Goodman system. And, well, that was replaced. Yeah, you can see this, sprinkler timer over here. This will be in the next video. We'll be starting that up. But, yeah, so that's the furnace. You can see the line set come across there, and it runs all through the ceiling along here, and then right here it makes a sharp 90-degree left, heads that way, and then goes right outside to the unit. And then outside, the line set is buried underneath the ground. Yeah, and then there's the exhaust for the chimney. Shoots right up. And yeah. So while I'm down here in this lower level of the house, here's the bathroom vent, one of the most powerful vents in the house. Oh no, nice over there. You can see it blowing on the towel. And then we got the vents here in the office we actually keep closed. These are actually the two most powerful vents in the house. But they're so powerful, it gets overly cold in here during the summer when we have the air on, and overly hot in here with the heat, so we keep them closed. And here in the family room, got the fan going, two vents there, also fairly powerful. There's another vent right there. There's a vent by that corner over there. There's a vent over there on the wall and on the floor. So yeah, this was the Lennox air conditioner at my vacation house, starting up for the first time for 2018. You can see what I meant by how the line set goes under the ground, and then comes back up around there and shoots back into the house. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and out.